My name's Matt Morgan. I'm the managing partner of our personal injury practice at Morgan & Morgan, and we represent injured consumers. The work that we do is essential to who I am as a person, and to be able to even the scales for the people at scale across the nation is really, for us, that's why we do what we do. Our family's been in this business for 30 years. My uncle was paralyzed when he was on the job, and he got a really poor result. He hired the wrong attorney at the time. That's when my dad got started in the business back in the day. He was powerless. And when he saw his brother being treated the way that he was being treated, he said, I'm going to do something about this. And he started the world's largest injury law firm as a result of that. My mom and my dad, they founded our firm back in 1989, and we've been doing it as a family ever since. You have this David versus Goliath every single day. The people don't have the power to push back against special interests and insurance companies, but we get to act as David and stand between them and equal the scales. And what makes America different than every other nation in the world really is our our justice system. When a corporation recalls a product, for example, they only do that in America. They don't do that in other places. They do it in America because they know they can be held accountable. But for trial lawyers, they would not have that threat of accountability. And so what we do, we really believe, makes people everywhere safer. The plaintiff's lawyer's job is to make sure that they understand if they choose to put the people at risk, and if they choose to put profits ahead of people, that they're going to have to pay in a substantial and a meaningful way. That changes conduct. That's why we do what we do. That's what gets us out of bed in the morning. Well, I think it's really important for lawyers to continue to learn. Even Brian Panish, even Keith Mitnick, they're still learning. You know, they're the giants of our industry, but every day they're getting better and better. I think attorneys should go to TLU Live because they have an obligation to their clients to give them the highest level of representation they can. And you're going to be hearing from the best speakers, the most knowledgeable people in the entire field. So I think it's really important to come to TLU to learn and to get better.